Economics, Standard 11, Unit 2, Consumption Analysis continued. Let us learn today market demand for the commodity and determinants of demand. The market demand curve for a commodity is derived by adding the quantum demanded of the commodity by all the individuals constituting the market. Here in the blackboard, I have taken three individuals, A, B and C. And let us see the demand, the quantum demanded for a commodity. And then we can derive the market demand here. Now, x-axis, the horizontal line is just taken as x-axis. And quantity demanded is marked in the x-axis. The vertical line represents y-axis and y-axis represents price. So the vertical line is y and price is mentioned here in all the three A, B and C. And let us just come for the the commodity demanded by A, B and C. And when the price is rupees 3, now what is the market demand of, that is individual A, B and C? That's what we are going to first calculate. So when the price is rupees 3, A is willing to buy only 2. And same thing, when the price is rupees 3, B is also willing to buy only 2. And when the price is rupees 3, C is willing to buy 4. So the quantity demanded by C is 4. So when price is rupees 3, A and B are willing to buy only 2 commodity, but whereas C is willing to buy 4. And now let us see, that is, if the price is rupees 1 for a commodity and the price is rupees 1 for a commodity, A is willing to buy 6. Okay, A is willing to buy 6. And if the price is 1 rupee, B is willing to buy 8. So for rupees 3, B was willing to buy only 2. But for rupees 1, when the price is lower to 1, then B is willing to buy 8. The price is 1 rupee. And C is also willing to buy 8. Actually, when the price was 3 rupees, C was willing to buy 4. And when the price came down to 1 rupee, C was not willing to buy more, but only just doubled 8. So this is what we just find it, the demand of the individuals, individual A, B and C. Now let us see this demand curve. So the demand curve is like this. So you find A and then B and C and C. So now just let us take it. When price is rupees 3, when price is rupees 3, then the market demand rupees 3, the market demand is equal to, so when price is rupees 3, A 2 plus B 2 plus C 4, so equal to 8. And then when the price is rupees 1, A rupees 1, for rupees 1, got A 6 and B, A 6 and B, let us see how much it is just going to have it, B 8. So here you can put it as 8. Okay, so 6, 8 plus C 8 equal to 22. So when the price is rupees 3, the market demand is 8. When the price is rupees 1, the market demand just goes for 22. So that's what we are going to draw it in the market demand curve. So this is what we can just take it as MD or market demand curve. So rupees 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So here we can just mark it as 5, 8 and then 15 and 22. So when the price is rupees 3, the market demand is 8. The market demand is 8. When the price is rupees 1, the market demand is 22. So this is what you have to just calculate to understand. Now see, individual A, B, C demand differ when the price is rupees 3 and when the price is rupees 1. Okay, now all total, when the price is rupees 3, the market demand is 2 plus 2 plus 4, 8. So we have marked here 8. And when the price is rupees 1 and the market demand is 6 plus 8 plus 8, 22. So we have marked here 22. So this becomes as the market demand. So this becomes as market demand. So we can just write it here, the market demand. And now just think, as in the case of individual demand schedule, the market demand curve is at a price, at a place and at a time. So as in the case of individual demand schedule, the market demand curve is at a price, at a place and at a time. There are determinants of demand. Changes in taste and fashion also result in an increase in demand. Secondly, changes in weather. An unusually dry summer results in an increase in the demand for cool drinks and ice creams. So first, changes in taste, changes in taste and fashions. Okay. Then secondly, changes in weather. Changes in weather. And thirdly, taxation and subsidy. If fresh taxes are levied or the existing rates of taxation on commodities are increased, their prices go up. The subsidies will bring down the prices. Therefore, taxes reduce demand and subsidies increase or raises the demand. So third one is taxation and subsidies. Taxation and subsidies. So taxation reduces the demand and subsidies increase the demand. And then the fourth point is changes of expectation and subsidies, and then fourth is changes of expectation. Expecting the future changes. Demand for goods also increase. So changes of expectation also results in great demand. Expectations also bring about a change in demand, and that is a rise in price. Thinking that expecting a rise in price in future results an increase in demand. Then changes in savings. Savings and demand are just inversely related. So savings and demand are inversely related. So the fourth point is changes in expectations, and fifth point is changes in savings. Changes in savings. And sixthly, that is state of trade activities. And during the periods of boom and prosperity, the demand for all activities, for all commodities tends to increase. So during the boom and prosperity, the demand for commodities tends to increase. On the other hand, during the times of depression, and there is less demand or there is slackening of demand. So that is also state of trade activity. So sixth is state of trade activity. And seventhly, advertisement. In developed countries, advertisement plays an important role and it becomes a powerful instrument to increase the demand in the market. And seventhly, changes in income. An increase in family income also leads to an increased demand for the durable goods like refrigerator, TV and electrical goods and so on. And then increase in population. So the demand for goods depend upon the size of population. The demand for goods depends upon the size of population. An increase in population tends to increase demand, and a decrease in population tends to decrease the demand, other things being equal. So we can just summarize the determinants of demand as first and the foremost is changes in taste and passions, second changes in weather, and third taxation and subsidy, and fourth changes in expectations, and fifth changes in savings, and sixth state of trade activities, and seventh advertisement, eighth that changes of income, and finally changes in population also determine the demand.